Dear friends, today we're gonna learn how to draw cross-section by using SWDTM. SWDTM is a tool which was developed by a Nepalese, and we can easily draw cross-section of a river or a canal using this tool. And to draw this cross-section or long profile, you need to install AutoCAD on your computer, and the SWDTM tool is an open source tool, and you can find it on internet and download and you can install it. And this is my SWDTM tool. Let's open this tool. To use this, your AutoCAD must be opened and Excel file should be opened. Your Excel file is let's say my Excel file is like this, and there is the format for SWDTM tool. This is the ID, the section number 1, and this is the distance, and this is my RL, and this is the second section, and this is distance, and this is my RL or reduced level. So there are 4 sections, and I have arranged the sections like this. This is 1, this is 2, and 3, 4, and similarly all the sections are arranged this way. So your AutoCAD interface is open, and your arranged data set is opened in Excel, and at the same time your SWDTM tool is here. This is developed by Software Private Limited, Kathmandu, Nepal. Now click on cross section and then draw long profile cross section, then draw cross section. First of all, you have to select your data set, whole data set. I've selected my data set for drawing cross section on AutoCAD. Now read file from Excel file. Now you have to choose horizontal scale and vertical scale. If you provide 100 by 100 scale, then you have to scale your cross section drawing by 0.1, and if you provide 500 into 500, then you have to scale your drawing into 0.5, and if you provide 1000 by 1000, you don't need to scale your drawing. So you have to adjust trial and error basis. Let's say if you have a lot of cross sections in your Excel file, you can set the number of rows and the number of columns. So I have only 4 sections in the Excel file, so I don't need to change this number. So only one column, all the sections will be appeared, and you can set the row distance and the column distance like this. You can set it manually. Check mark, select the include all changes, and then click execute. 4 cross sections are found. It is written here that 4 cross sections are found. I have already 4 cross sections in the Excel file, that's why it is shown that 4 cross sections are found. Now click on draw all. Now go to AutoCAD. Your AutoCAD now is saying click a point as the origin. So if I select this point, So this fourth section has been drawn here. My cross section is not good enough to look at. The aesthetic of my cross section is not good. See, this is the vertical scale. This is the horizontal scale. I have provided 100 by 100 scale. Let's measure the dimension. Two 6920. It's not working. The distance between 2 and 269.20. Now check the distance. 3935.07. 3935.07. Where the distance is 3908.15. The actual distance in the AutoCAD is 26.92, but the distance could be 26.92 as I provided 100 by 100 scale. So you need to fill this drawing by typing command SC. I've selected object. Now specify base point. Let's say this one my base point. Now the specify factor. This is 0.1. I have just scale the drawing. Now measure the distance. Point. $15.8, 439.59 minus 4.423.79. The distance is okay now. So you can correct your distance in actual distance by scaling. That's how you can easily draw the cross section of a river or a canal by using this SWDTM tool and by the assistance of AutoCAD. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.